All right, finish up. Finish up, I'm going to do my latest bad impression. Yes, sir. Now, my impressions are incredibly bad, and they've been known throughout the state of China as bad. Well, good impressionists just do somebody's voice, and you go, it's Steve McQueen, it's Robert De Niro. I tend to tell everyone who I'm going to do, to help, and explain that it might not sound like them. This is Christopher Walken. And as done by someone else, I did Down the Death of Joe Egg on Broadway. An actor called Michael Gaston was in that, and he had done Shakespeare with Christopher Walken. I didn't know Christopher Walken did Shakespeare. So Michael did this impression, and I nicked this off Michael, and he knows about that. But Christopher Walken doing Iago in Othello, yeah, this is according to, Othello, your wife, it's great, you should kill her with a pillow. Yeah, it's crazy. She's Desi. She dies as crazy. Yeah. Or even to be and not to be. You know, it's a question. It's nobler. Suffer. Slings and arrows and shit. Now is the winter of our discontent. Yeah, isn't it? Glorious summer. By the sun of York. All the clouds had lowered. Going a bit off Christopher Walken. Tomorrow and tomorrow. And tomorrow. It's a petty pace. It goes on. This watch, it's your father's watch. It's your grandfather's watch. It's your birthright. It's your daddy was shot down over Hanoi. So was I. We were in a prison camp, He knew this watch. It's your right. He doesn't want no slant eye's going to get the hands on the watch. What's he do with the watch? He puts it in one place, up his ass. He puts it up his ass. 5 long years, this watch up his ass. He dies of watch-in-ass disease. Give me the watch. I put the watch up my ass. I get watch-in-ass syndrome. It's your watch. You can wear it, but don't put it up yet. Wear it on your wrist. Don't lick it.